If you've opened Claude, typed one question and thought, okay, it's just another chatbot, you're barely scratching the surface. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use Claude in 2026 to write research code and actually get hours of your week back. No tech background needed. Let's get into it. First, the quick version of what Claude actually is. Claude is an AI assistant made by Anthropic. You talk to it in plain English and it talks back, helping you write, summarize, analyze documents, and even build things. In 2026, there are a few versions: a fast everyday model, a powerful one for hard problems, and lightweight options for quick tasks. The good news for you as a beginner, you don't need to memorize any of that. Pick the default, start typing, and upgrade later when you feel limited. Here's how to start in under a minute. Go to Claude AI, sign in, and you'll see one simple box. That box is the whole product. Type what you want, like you're texting a smart caller. For example, summarize this article in 5 bullet points, and paste your text. That's it. The biggest beginner mistake is overthinking it. You don't need perfect prompts. You need a clear request and a willingness to ask a follow-up. Now the part that matters, what to actually use Claude for. Here are the 5 highest value things for a beginner. 1. Write in emails, posts, descriptions, first drafts. Tell Claude the goal, the audience, and the tone. Try. Write a friendly follow-up email to a client who went quiet. Keep it under 100 words. 2. Summarizing and understanding. Paste a long document, report, or transcript and ask for the key points. Or ask it to explain this like I'm new to the topic. That's a game changer for complex subjects. 3. Research and thinking. Use Claude to compare options, brainstorm, or pressure test an idea. Ask, give me 3 angles on this and the risk of each. It's like having a brilliant strategist on call. Or working with your files, you can upload documents, spreadsheets, even images, and ask questions about them. For example, what are the 3 biggest issues in this contract? Claude scans it in seconds. 5. Getting things done. This is the 2026 upgrade. Claude can now take on bigger multi-step tasks. Building a simple document, drafting a plan, or working through something step by step instead of just answering one question. If you remember one thing from this video, make it this. The quality of what you get out of Claude depends on the context you put in. Beginners type, write a post about marketing. People who get great results type, write a LinkedIn post for small business owners. Friendly tone, around 120 words, end with a question. Same tool, completely different output. So give Claude 3 things: who it's for, what you want, and what good looks like. And when the first answer isn't quite right, don't start over, just say, make it shorter or more casual. Treat it like a conversation. Let me show you a real workflow you could copy today. Say you run a small business. You take your messy meeting notes, paste them into Claude and say, turn these into a clear action list with owners and deadlines. 30 seconds later, done. Then you say, now write a short update email to the team based on that list. Done. Then draft 3 social posts promoting our new offer from these notes. 1 set of notes, 3 finished deliverables. That used to be an hour of work. That's the shift in 2026. Claude isn't just answering questions, it's helping you finish actual work. Quick mistakes to avoid. Don't accept the first draft as final. Always do 1 round of feedback. Don't paste anything truly private or sensitive into any AI tool. Security and privacy are your responsibility. Don't expect it to know today's news or your private data unless you give it that information first. And don't treat a wrong answer as proof it's useless. Most of the time, the fix is a better instruction, not a better tool. So here's your homework. Open Claude, pick 1 task you do every week, an email, a summary, a plan, and run it through. Use the context formula from this video. That single habit is how beginners turn into power users. If this helped, subscribe.